Monk mode is a concept that has gained popularity in recent years as a way to increase focus and productivity. Essentially, it involves dedicating a specific period to fully immerse yourself in a task or goal, eliminating distractions and external influences. This intentional isolation allows you to tap into a deep state of concentration and introspection, similar to the disciplined lifestyle of a monk. By understanding and implementing the principles of monk mode, you can unlock your full potential and achieve remarkable results in any endeavor you pursue. Create a distraction-free environment. Creating a distraction-free environment is crucial when activating the monk mode. To truly embrace the monk mode, it's essential to eliminate any potential distractions that might hinder your focus and productivity. Start by finding a quiet and clutter-free space where you can fully immerse yourself in your chosen activity. Remove any unnecessary electronic devices, turn off notifications, and resist the temptation to check social media or emails. Consider using noise-canceling headphones or ambient music to block out external noise and create a calm atmosphere. Keep your workspace organized and free from unnecessary items to promote a clear and focused mindset. By intentionally creating a distraction-free environment, you can enhance your ability to reach a state of deep concentration and fully engage in your chosen task. Set clear goals and priorities. Setting clear goals and priorities is an essential step in activating the monk mode. It provides a sense of direction and purpose, helping you stay focused and motivated. Start by identifying what you want to achieve during this period of intense focus. Whether it's learning a new skill, completing a project, or improving your overall well-being, having specific goals will keep you on track. Break down these goals into smaller, actionable tasks that you can work on each day. Prioritize these tasks based on their importance and urgency, ensuring that you allocate your time and energy efficiently. By setting clear goals and priorities, you create a framework that guides your actions and helps you stay disciplined during the monk mode. Stay committed to this process, and you'll find yourself making significant progress toward your desired outcomes. Implement structured routines and schedules. Implementing structured routines and schedules is a key component of activating the monk mode. By creating a structured routine, you can effectively manage your time and maximize productivity. Start by setting specific time blocks for different activities such as work, exercise, relaxation, and personal development. Having a clear schedule helps you prioritize tasks and eliminates distractions. It allows you to focus on one task at a time, increasing efficiency and reducing stress. Additionally, incorporating rituals into your routine can enhance focus and create a sense of calm. For example, starting your day with meditation or journaling can help you set intentions and clear your mind. Creating a dedicated workspace with minimal distractions also contributes to a focused mindset. Remember to allocate time for breaks and self-care activities throughout the day. Taking short breaks to stretch, go for a walk, or practice mindfulness can rejuvenate your energy and improve overall well-being. By implementing structured routines and schedules, you create a framework that supports your monk mode journey, enabling you to stay focused, productive, and aligned with your goals. Practice mindfulness and meditation. To activate the monk mode, one of the most effective ways is to practice mindfulness and meditation. In our fast-paced, digital world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. However, taking the time to quiet your mind and focus on the present moment can have profound effects on your overall well-being and productivity. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware of the current moment. By intentionally paying attention to your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations without judgment, you can cultivate a sense of calm and clarity. This allows you to detach from distractions and focus on the task at hand with heightened concentration and efficiency. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine further enhances the benefits of mindfulness. Even just a few minutes of meditation a day can help reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and improve mental clarity. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath or a specific mantra. Allow your mind to settle and be fully present in the moment. By practicing mindfulness and meditation regularly, you can activate the monk mode and experience a greater sense of peace, focus, and productivity in your daily life. Limit social media and digital distractions. To truly activate the monk mode, it is crucial to limit social media and digital distractions. In today's fast-paced world, it is easy to get caught up in the constant notifications, endless scrolling, and mindless browsing that social media and digital platforms offer. However, these distractions can hinder our ability to focus, be present, and engage in deep, meaningful work. One of the simplest ways to limit social media and digital distractions is by setting designated periods for their use. Create a schedule where you allocate specific times during the day to check and respond to emails, messages, and social media updates. Outside of those designated times, practice discipline by turning off notifications or putting your phone on silent mode. Additionally, consider implementing app blockers or time management apps that can restrict your access to certain websites or platforms. These tools can help you stay focused and avoid mindlessly scrolling through social media feeds or getting lost in the digital abyss. By consciously limiting social media and digital distractions, you can create a more conducive environment for productivity, self-reflection, and personal growth, all essential elements of the monk mode. Focus on self-improvement. One of the most effective ways to activate the monk mode is to focus on self-improvement. This means dedicating time and energy to personal growth and development. Start by setting clear goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Prioritize activities that enhance your mental, physical, and emotional well-being, such as daily meditation, regular exercise, reading self-help books, and practicing mindfulness. Allocate time for learning new skills or pursuing hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment. Minimize distractions and create a peaceful environment conducive to deep work and introspection. By dedicating yourself to self-improvement, you can embrace the monk mode and experience personal transformation in all areas of your life. In conclusion, activating the monk mode can bring about a sense of clarity and focus in your life. By implementing the simple steps discussed in this video, you can create an environment that fosters productivity, mindfulness, and personal growth. Remember to declutter both your physical and digital space, set clear goals, prioritize self-care and reflection, practice mindfulness, limit distractions, establish a routine, and surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Embracing the monk mode mindset can lead to a more purposeful and fulfilling life. So why wait? Start implementing these steps today and unlock your full potential.